Ultra-crepidarian. The meaning of ultra-crepidarian is one who gives opinions beyond their knowledge. Stop being an ultra-crepidarian. You don't know everything. Yonderly. The meaning of yonderly is distant in mind or spirit. He looked yonderly, lost in thought. Genocide. The meaning of genocide is feeling that time is moving faster. As I grow older, genocide hits me every year. Womble. The meaning of womble is to feel nauseous. I felt a womble after the roller coaster ride. Brontide. The meaning of brontide is low rumble of distant thunder. The brontide warned us of an approaching storm. Susurrus. The meaning of susurrus is soft whispering sound. The susurrus of the river was coming. Ineffable. The meaning of ineffable is too great for words. The beauty of the mountains was ineffable. Gossamer. The meaning of gossamer is very light and delicate. The butterfly's wings were like gossamer. Acnestis. The meaning of acnestis is part of the back you can't reach. The itch was right on my acnestis. Callipygian. The meaning of Callipygian is having beautiful buttocks. The statue is famous for its Callipygian beauty.